Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to IBM registration process mail updates. This is the part 4th video. In the previous video I mentioned that if you applied for exam but still you not got the examination mail. Okay, so there are so many queries of candidates that this survey mail is related to. You have to fill this form before 16th August 2023 11 am. So basically why they mention 2024 batch in the job description, and in this video we will discuss about all the queries. Let's start. Basically this type of mail is received by candidates. Okay, so associate soft system engineer is the role and we applied for the associate system engineer. So this role is same and you have to complete the additional registration process by 16th August 2023 11 am. They just mentioned that this process, okay, where you can find the reference number, you can find the reference number on that. One of the most important point, they just mentioned that kindly read the eligibility criteria thoroughly mentioned in the job description. Please note that if you are meeting the eligibility criteria and based on the business requirement, the concerned team will get back to you. Okay, so one of the most important point that why they mentioned 2024 batch in this. Okay, so let's check the hiring. In the eligibility criteria, the PDF is mentioned that this is a entry level on campus hiring position. Okay, but on the website where it is mentioned that it is a on campus hiring, okay, where it is mentioned that they just not mention any of the campus, they just not mention any of the other. They mention that in the required education there is a bachelor's degree is required. Okay, so basically according to my suggestion, they just shared the on campus PDF with the candidates. Okay, but this is this is for the on campus candidates. But when you open this form, okay, when you open this form, so there is 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020 option will be shown. Okay, so according to your batch, like if you are from 22 batch, so you can select. Okay, but in the form they also mention that there is a course enrollment year. Okay, so still we are confused for this point. Okay, but in the form they still mention there is a 2023 also. So I suggest all of you, if you are from 22 you can select 22, if you are from 21 you can select 21. Okay, there is some error, in the form, like there is some error in this PDF, or like the PDF is this different PDF is shared with the candidates. Okay, because on the website they not mention any of the point, like on the website they even not mention that this is a on campus hiring. Okay, they just mention that associate system engineer role, different locations are there, and basically this is a entry level opportunity. Okay, and they just mention that problem solving and communication, and in the required education they mention that bachelor's degree is required, and in the form itself they just mention that like you are attended the degree or you are not attended the degree. Okay, so basically I suggest all of you, if you are received this type of form, fill that form. We have to wait for the exam mail. Okay, if your profile is shortlisted, definitely you will receive the exam mail from the IBM team. Okay, this is related to the important updates about IBM. I hope this video is useful for everyone, but still we only received two type of mail that is related, first mail is the basically congratulation mail, and second mail is additional information mail. So basically we have to just wait for the particular examination. This type of mail is received by candidate like additional information mail. Okay, so in the additional information mail you have to fill the form, but let's wait for the exam mail. But in the form the 23, 22, 21, 2020 is mentioned, so you can select the 2023. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can check important videos on our channel. Thanks for watching the video.